Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get AliExpress coins. AliExpress rewards its app users with free coins and discounts that later be exchanged for coupons and discounts. Just open the AliExpress app and go to the mobile bonus section. Tap on the chest with gold to claim your daily reward and repeat these steps every day to increase your streak. The longer you streak, the more coins you get. First day 1 coin, day 2 5 coins, and day 3 8 coins, and it goes. It's important to know if you miss a day, the streak resets back to day 1. Also, you can get coins by completing tasks. Inside the mobile bonuses section, you can earn extra coins by completing simple tasks. Try search by photos, which gives you 2 coins. Swap coins for coupons, which gives you 3 coins per swap. Subscribe to a store or a blogger, 1 coin. Share your new collection, 1 coin. And like a post in the feed, 1 coin. With consistent check-ins and tasks, you can build up coins daily and exchange them for real shopping discounts on AliExpress. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.